basket. Oh, there we go. Battery. Let's put that to the side. What do we got here? We got the control arm. Basket. It's kind of like on the small side, but I'm not gonna need a bigger one. All right, here. What's this? Charger. Doesn't look like anything's holding it. All right, and there it is. Back. All right, there it is all together. All it is these clips that fold in, and you put it together and lock them in place. This one was giving me a little bit of a trouble, and I'm wondering if it got banged up in shipping. If anybody out there bought one of these, let me know. Does this come with styrofoam, or is it just thrown in a box like that? That's pretty weird. Anyway, this is the battery cover. Just lift it up, slide the battery in. There's a key here that you put in to disengage the motor. I guess you could take that if you have kids, you don't want them messing with it. You could take it and hide it. I'm gonna take out the mulch plug because I'm gonna try to bag this. So you lift up this door here, just kind of hook up onto that spot right there. So we'll lay this bag in and go to get to cutting. You just lay that back down like that. What I did was I charged the battery, so this is a bit later. It's getting dark out. What's cool about this battery is it gives you a level indicator. So let's see, is it charged? Press down, there you go. I did try to start it already. I turned it on, and one thing I was messing with is I was pulling this back. I was pulling back the safety bar and pressing the button, and it won't start. So make sure you push the button first, then pull back on, then it turns on. This one has 6 levels. So I'll show you. You press this button right here, and you pull up on this handle, and it'll lower and raise for you. So I don't know if you can see that. You know, you get some height on there. You know, if you can see that, pretty big difference. So a couple of inches high there. I'm gonna try to do a pass and see what happens. Cut the lawn. First impressions. Well, it cuts really good, but it is brand new. It's a bit of a learning curve because I do have some trees and, you know, corners, and it's a small yard, 400 square feet. So let's empty this bag and see what's going on. And there you go. I'd say about 3/4 full. Probably almost full because, like, sitting on its side, but that's 400 square feet roughly of grass. So it did pretty good.